And Callie, stop. Tell BB what you're doing.
Squish, squish.
Okay, carry on, carry on.
Squish, squish.
Callie's being a snake.
No, a squish, squish in there.
No, she's not really there. Michal, I'm recording it so she can watch it on video, Noodle. We need to fix your hair before you go to school. Let's see, Yosef.
Squish, 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 squish.
What is that noise you're making?
Anaconda.
An anaconda sound?
Yeah, anaconda.
Yeah, they say squish. Hello.
Squish.
They say squish, squish.
Squish, squish, squish.
Want to show BB your rocket chip shoes? Let's see your rocket chip shoes. Why do they look like rocket chips? Because they've got red things on the back?
Yeah.
Yeah, we went into the shoe store and Yosef says, I want rocket chip shoes. And I said, those look too expensive. And then it turned out that they weren't. Lucky us. Let's give us a happy smile. Yay! And Callie. Oh, that is a very happy smile. Uh-oh. Yosef, be careful with that. Okay.
I want to take a picture of someone.
You're gonna
take a picture. Could I take a video?
Extreme close-up. Extreme close-up. Have a good day.